Good morning, Texans. Today is Tuesday, April 21st, 2020, and it's time for our morning announcements. We'll start with our Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now to the great state of Texas. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. And at this point, we'll observe our moment of silence. And I actually have no announcements submitted today. So just a reminder, if you would like anything announced via this little vehicle, then you're welcome to submit those to my email address. That's carrie.jackson@nisdtx.org. Trying to keep the announcements under 2 to 3 minutes, so nothing big or elaborate or big videos or anything like that. We're pretty low tech here, but if you have anything that you would like briefly spoken in the announcements in the morning, then please feel free to send those to me via email. That's all I have for you today, Texans. I love you. I miss you. I look forward to seeing you again, and I wish you a great Tuesday.